pretty good.
So, right now, we figured out, if you haven't seen the dyno video, we figured out because the last owner was there. And I told him the truck at the most hit 16 PSI. He said that's not normal, should be like 30 on the top end. So we have a boost leak and we're losing possibly half of our boost. So we're just gonna do a quick, well, hopefully quick, test here. So I'm just gonna rev it. We don't need to make 30 pounds to test it, I think. So if I start it up, and if I rev it at idle, see how much boost we make. If it changes between, like, we'll see. I have a funny feeling it might be the gauge. So we're gonna test that first, but we'll see how much boost it makes just revving it here. PSI on the one gauge. So
it made 6 on both.
It made 6 on both. So now we'll see if we unplug the hose from the meth. Maybe someone wants to put their finger on it. We can see if it will make more than 6.
Test number 2.
See if we can make more than 6. Exactly the same.
Air coming out of that one. I think it's that one.
How far down did we go with this one? Do you remember? We did some black caulk to seal that. Caulk. Look how far I already threaded in by hand.